Hi everyone, my name is Dea Amelia. I will tell you a little about cats and foxes. One afternoon, the cat said to the fox, "I really hate dogs. They are very bad animals to hunt and kill you." "I hate dogs more than you," said fox. Then the cat asked, "How do you hide yourself from the dogs?" The fox revealed there are many tricks that can be used to trick the dogs. "Can you say what trick do you have?" asked the cat. "It's very simple," answered the fox. "I can hide behind thick bushes. I can also hide in the hole, and there are many other tricks." Then the fox turned to ask the cat, "What trick do you know?" The cat replied, "I only know one trick." The fox sneered. "Oh, how sad. You only know one trick. Then what is your trick?" Cat wanted to answer, but he saw a flock of dogs approaching quickly. He said, "I will do it now because the dogs had come." When saying the C words, the cat ran towards a tree safe from dogs. Fox tried a trick, but the dogs hit him hard. "I am one of the tricks that is better than all tricks," said the cat to himself.